Chislewit a Marriott dros on. Mae gan Marriott mae'n mynd, arpeniad. Taro'r postyn gan Astles. Pawb wedi stopio I syllu ar hwnna. Wrth i'r bel daro'r postyn. Allan â hi gan Lori Bell. A Joe Fawn gweld rhediad Mike Hayes. Hayes drwyddo. Hayes yn ergydio. A Paul Harrison yn dangos dwylo cadarn I ddal honna. A Gosset sy'n chwilio am y gornel bella. Arbediad campus gan Paul Harrison. Donahue. Mae wedi codi hwnna. Hit dros Jordan Williams. A lawr y llinell mae'n mynd at Hayes. Hayes heibio Keston Davies. Yn ôl I Noah Edwards. A mergyd. Taro'r bar a'r peniad I mewn. Gan Darren Thomas. Ar yr ail gynnig. Ond na, mae'n agam sefyll. Yn erbyn Caernarfon. Wel, dwi'n yn siŵr o lle mae hwnna wedi dod. Mae'r rhaid na Mike Hayes oedd yn cam sefyll. Achos doedd Noah Edwards ddim. A doedd Darren Thomas ddim. Cartwright. Cyffyrddiad da gan Chislewit I Robles. Louis Robles yn chwilio am le I seithi. A honna'n adlamu I mewn. Gol gynta'r noson i'r Seintiau Newydd ac I Louis Robles. Chislewit i'r canol. Astles ar peniad. Ac Astles yn dyblu mantais y Seintiau Newydd. Fyny o'r cefn a'r peniad I gornel bella'r rwyd. Dim gobaith i'r golwr yn fanna. Y gornel I fewn i'r postyn agosa. Redmond yn I chadw hi'n fyw. I'r postyn bella mae'n mynd ar ergyd. Mae honna yn gwiro I mewn. Trydydd gol i'r Seintiau Newydd. Yr ergyd gan Robles. Ond yn sicr mi nath honna daro Chris Mellin ar ei ffordd I mewn I gefn y rwyd.
We created a lot of chances first half. I thought we could have had 2 or 3 goals easily and we just weren't able to finish it off. And I thought going in at 0-0 at half-time we should have been in front. I know they had a couple of chances there where they scored one from an offside goal that probably looked offside. But I think all in all we deserved the win and created enough to get the 3 goals and we're very happy with the clean sheet as well.
Did you feel at half-time that you would go on to win it, considering it was a closer first half?
Yeah, I thought if we got the first goal, we would. Yeah, so I was pleased that we got that first goal. I felt like if we'd managed to get that first goal, then that would build our momentum. We'd be able to keep the ball more and we'd come on strong in the games. I mean, the players work ever so hard during the week. We are full-time, so it's an advantage for us and we're able to come on with our fitness. And moving the ball quicker, I think, and earlier helped us in the second half score those goals and see it out.
So pan mae'r gol cyntaf yn mynd I fewn, a ni jyst yn teimlo ni wedi colli a dipyn bach a ddim rhoi digon amdani, ond pan ti'n cael hanner cyfle yn ebyn nhw, mae rhaid ti sgorio. A os ti'n edrych ar y tîmau sydd wedi cael pwyntiau gyda nhw, dyna beth sydd wedi digwydd. Ac fel ti'n dweud, ddim digon yn nhw angen on yn diwedd I ni, ond dim bach yn siomedig, ond ti'n chwarae yn ebyn y campwyrydd ac o'n nhw'n tîm da.
Yeah, I thought it was a difficult first half. I think we had a few chances, but Caernarfon defended well. And took that first goal to open up for the second third to follow.
You got your first goal of the season. How did that feel?
Yeah, it's a relief really. It's been a long time coming. It's been a bit frustrating this year, but glad to get off the mark finally.
That second goal, we saw you being congratulated as well. Are you claiming that one?
Oh, I'll claim it definitely. Whether they'll give me it or not, we'll have to wait and see, but I'll definitely claim that goal, yeah.
How much character did you have to show in that second half to kick on and get that win after what was quite a tight first half, really?
Yeah, well, followed on for last week. Obviously, we lost to Newtown. We don't like losing 2 games in a row, whether we won the league or not. So to get the that second half performance and result was really important to us.